Welcome to one of the world's most iconic manufacturing operations.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you inside one of the most secretive and fascinating factories on Earth.
Every bottle of Coca-Cola begins its journey here, in the sugarcane fields of Brazil, one of the world's largest producers.
Each sugarcane stalk takes 12 to 18 months to mature, growing up to 20 feet tall.
Ei, corta essa aqui.
Vê se tá boa.
Positivo, pode seguir.
This white core is pure treasure, containing up to 17% sucrose.
Okay, pull forward slowly, watch the mud on the right, bring the next one in.
Copy that, moving out.
Before reaching Coca-Cola's bottling plants, the raw cane must first be refined.
Bring it forward slowly. All right, hold it right there. Wait for clearance.
Bricks reading 22.5. Sucrose content high. Sample clear.
Each truck dumps up to 30 tons of fresh cane in under 2 minutes.
We need to stabilize the flow rate here. Look at this reading.
All right, I'll adjust the valve setting as per the protocol.
This raw juice contains only about 12% sugar, along with minerals, organic acids, and plant matter.
What you're seeing behind me is where the magic happens. These crystallization tanks cool the concentrated syrup just enough for perfect
Under precisely controlled conditions, trillions of sugar crystals form in each batch, each one a perfect geometric.
Beverage-grade sugar must meet exacting Coca-Cola specifications. 99.9% purity.
Pallet 42, confirmed destination Atlanta.
Bring the next load to Bay 5, watch the clearance.
Perfect placement. Confirmation confirmed.
This single truckload contains enough refined sugar to sweeten over 2 million bottles of Coca-Cola.
Across America alone,
Morning. Manifest and seal this.
Here you go, Dock 7, right?
Affirmative. Proceed to the checkpoint.
Every delivery to Coca-Cola facilities undergoes rigorous security screening.
Bring it back easy now. A little bump to the left. All right, hold it steady. And set.
Scan complete. Batch codes verified.
Approved for production. Move it to staging.
Welcome inside Coca-Cola's Ingredient Nerve Center.
Every ingredient undergoes over 50 analytical tests before approval. Creating Coca-Cola's signature syrup begins here.
Here, the magic comes together. Base syrup meets the secret flavor formula.
Improvements. The ratio is exact. 5.5 parts carbonated water to 1 part syrup concentrate. This
This is where Coca-Cola gets its legendary fizz. Those tanks behind me are injecting CO2 at over 60 pounds per.
Each bottle of Coca-Cola contains approximately 3.5 volumes of CO2.
Every Coca-Cola bottle begins as this small preform, weighing just 22 grams.
Before a single drop of Coca-Cola enters these bottles, each one undergoes triple-stage rinsing with ozonated water.
Each filling valve dispenses exactly the right amount, with tolerance less than a teaspoon.
This single facility produces 47 different package configurations.
Every case carries complete traceability information: production facility, line number, time of manufacture, and expiration date.
We're seeing excellent integrity on these new configurations. Noted. The throughput looks steady.
Check the fill level on aisle 3, Maria. Looks accurate. All seals are intact, ready for documentation.
Each pallet receives a unique identity, RFID chip, and printed barcode, tracking it from production through delivery.
Check the metrics on level 80. The retrieval rate is slightly low.
It's within tolerance. Optimizing now.
What you're seeing behind me is one of the most advanced beverage warehouses in the world. These automated cranes store and retrieve over 50,000 pallets.
All right, team. Allocate the incoming inventory to staging lanes immediately. Overrides confirmed for the priority orders.
Every zone in this warehouse is monitored for temperature, humidity, and air quality.
This laboratory never sleeps. 24 hours a day, quality technicians pull samples from every production line. Grill. Every production batch is tested for harmful microorganisms.
Look at this anomaly on the impurity trend for batch 7R.
It's been investigated and cleared. We can proceed with the release.
Very well. Approving the shipment now.
No product ships without passing every quality gate.
Coca-Cola has committed to replenishing every drop of water used in production. This facility recycles over 95% of processed water.
This facility has reduced energy consumption by 40% over the past decade through continuous efficiency improvements.
Every environmental metric is tracked and reported publicly.
Unit 32 is fully charged and ready to go.
Perfect. I'll take it over to aisle 5. This metal goes to the red bin.
Got it. Move the plastic up.
Lubrication levels are optimal and the filter is replaced.
I've uploaded the performance data. Everything is green.
All right, proactive maintenance complete. The line is ready.
Variety packs require additional verification. Cameras confirm that each flavor is in the correct position before shipping.
Check this out. These labels are being applied at over 1,000 bottles per minute.
Limited edition packaging runs require precise changeovers. Different labels, different bottles, sometimes different formulas.
Parameters are stable on the limited edition run. Moving to the next quality gate.
Make sure the graphics are aligned before wrapping. We need another half pallet over here.
These display pallets ship directly to retail floors. No unpacking required.
Fountain syrup is 5 times more concentrated than bottled Coca-Cola.
Stretch film is applied with precisely controlled force, tight enough to secure the load, but not so tight as to crush the cases.
From this staging area, Coca-Cola products will travel to over 200 countries and territories. This palletizing system builds 120 pallets per hour, each containing up to 100 cases of product.
We need to reroute the priority shipment to Sector 4 immediately.
Confirmed. The drone sequence is updated.
This automated warehouse stores over 100,000 pallets. That's more than 200 million bottles of Coca-Cola ready for immediate shipment.
When an order comes in, the system calculates the optimal retrieval sequence, minimizing crane travel time while prioritizing.
We need this one on bay 12. Check the manifest.
Got it. I'll load it right now.
Every pallet is scanned as it enters the truck. The system won't allow loading of wrong products or incorrect quantities.
Position confirmed. Manifest checks out. Move on to the next one.
Everything looks good. Confirmed and ready.
Back it up slowly now. Watch your left side.
Bay 6 is clear. Send the next trailer in.
From this single facility, over 400 trucks depart daily.
Rail transport moves Coca-Cola products across continents at a fraction of the cost and carbon footprint of trucking.
Voice-directed picking achieves 99.9% accuracy. For every 1,000 cases picked, only one error occurs.
Turn right onto 5th Avenue in 200 feet.
Yeah, copying that. Almost at the first stop. Here are the 10 cases for today. If you could just sign right here.
Got it. Looks good. Thanks.
This moment, a perfectly chilled Coca-Cola waiting in a cooler, represents the culmination of thousands of processes.
Every day, 2 billion people around the world enjoy this exact moment, the perfect taste of Coca-Cola.
Here are the Cokes.
Oh, wonderful. Put them right here.
For over 138 years, Coca-Cola has been part of humanity's greatest moments.